Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, I thought we would take a look at Harmony. You best believe, because Harmony is looking good in these charts. This is the weekly chart. I'm going to show you this, do some price analysis, also show you what it looks like on the daily time frame as well. Give you like a short-term forecast, a weekly forecast. Let's see what's going to happen with the price, and just take a look at news and stuff in relation to what Harmony's been doing over the week. So if this sounds interesting to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. And before I dive into this, I need to let you know, I know it gets boring saying it, but I've got to say it. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market, which is, quite accurate, by the way. So please do your own research before you invest your money. That being said, Harmony. Do you know about Harmony? Because, there's loads of new people coming into this space again. People that maybe haven't seen my YouTube channel. And Harmony is massive. And I'm just going to show you what I mean by this because, technically I should talk a bit about it. It's like a project that focuses on sharding for layer 2 solutions, like for Ethereum and all sorts. They're looking to, really embed themselves with the Ethereum blockchain. But when I say massive, I'll come onto this in a second. Let me see if I can, did I open up somewhere else? I'm just showing you all the tabs and all sorts. Okay, let me just scroll. I didn't want to lose this page. Let me just quickly open up a Harmony. I wanted to show you something, which is, just wait with me, hold on, I don't care, I'm just going to get it up. I wanted to show you how many followers they have on their Twitter, because it's significant. It's a huge community, 202,000 followers. Now, when you think about that, look, going back to these now, Xrp community, which, by the way, has been around since 2015. So it's had since 2015 to now, like 6 years to build a community, and, 243,000. It's massive. So they are very, very big, these two. When you compare them, where has it gone? Here we go. This one here, Harmony 202, and XRP's massive. If you look at something like Holochain, only 114,000 is massive as well. And I love Holochain. I'm just trying to show you the comparison to how big of a community Harmony has. Right. So that being said, let's just take a look at some of the stuff that's happening. So this was August 11th. I don't know why they pinned this, but it must be a big thing. I think you can now, you've been able to, provide liquidity on Sushi Swap with Harmony. I don't know. It looks like that here. It's all a good look. If Harmony is trying to branch out to these different blockchains and stuff and try and get things happening. I was just looking, at the last sort of week stuff that's been going on. It looks like they had the hackathon, and a lot of people had been sponsoring them. I say people, projects and companies. And you can see a lot of shout outs to the sponsors that they got for the hackathon, which in my eyes is big because, it shows that people are paying attention. Big companies are paying attention to Harmony, THETA, and they're all being a part of this hackathon or wanted to have some sort of part of it. So that's cool. And this is what I had up on the other link here. Single-sided staking for one is now live on Banker. So, you can get Harmony on as an ERC20 token. Just to show you here. Does it show it here? I don't know. Usually it shows it. Let's have a look. It's usually here. Why are they showing it? Because it shows like different places you can get it. And it gives you different contract addresses. You know what I mean. You've seen it as well. Let me just see if I can find it on CoinMarketCap. Hold on. I'm getting there. CoinMarket. Here we go. Bit of silence there. What am I laughing at? Harmony. Let's have a look. Here we go. Harmony. Because I just want to see, so here it says Binance Smart Chain. That thing said ETH. When you look at this, it said ETH. So I'm, look, because Harmony One trading, let me just highlight it. It doesn't even let me highlight. Single staking is live on Banker 1 ERC20. You see, that's Ethereum 20 token. So I'm assuming you can stake on there if you want to do that. Another way of staking. You guys should be staking your Harmony anyway. I keep saying this to you. And if you're new to the space, go on Harmony. What is it? Here's staking.harmony.1. That's the one you want. And, come over here, check it out, choose a validator and start staking your coins. Earn that passive income, guys. I told you how I do it. I come over, click on stake, tap it once, tap it twice, because I want to see like where loads of people are putting their money or their Harmony, and go for some of these top ones. Look for like the uptime. Make sure that's 100% validator one. They've never dropped signal at all. You're gonna get good staking rewards with that one, apparently, right? What it says 8.87%. You can see the return that you're gonna receive, but any of these are good, and I think you should just seriously be making that passive income. I think you need. Actually, I don't know, because on Binance, if you was going to stake on Binance, you needed a minimum of 10,000. I think on this one, you can probably stake like a couple, like 1 or 2, 5, 10. I don't know. Let me know how much the minimum is to stake. And just remember, if you're going to unbound your stake with Harmony, it's going to take 1 week to unbound, so be prepared. So yeah, let's just see what you can get for £1,000 right now, because I haven't done it in a while. £1,000 will give you 13,380 coins. I've been calling £1 for Harmony for the longest time, and give it time, because we can't promise when it's going to happen, but I can tell you now, future, I can see it happening. Harmony's price is looking bullish, and I'm going to start with, should I do the daily? Yeah, I'll start with the daily. Actually, no, let me start with the weekly, and I'll come back to the daily, because on the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I don't mean to shout you, Harmony did something legendary. Because it was right down here. That's a good way to do analysis, isn't it? It was here, and now it's here. What am I laughing at? Anyway, Harmony has broke the 21-week moving average. This is powerful. And I'm going to explain why. Because, I always tell you in my channels, if it's above the weekly time frame, or even the daily one, you usually see it ride it like a wave, like support, right? And this is the best way to show you. You see it better on the daily. I'll show you again. And when it broke here, the last time it broke the weekly, by the way, here, look at the move it had. Such a legendary move. It went from here, which is 0.05, by the way, you can see it over here, right? Cents, all the way up to here, which is around 23 cents. That was a 23x gain. When it broke this thing here, it looks like it's trying to hold support now, and this is why I'm trying to show you, because it's broke it and it's come back above the weekly 21 average. If it holds this support and does not come back down, guys, I think that we might see it hold support going forward, and we could see higher highs for Harmony. But Harmony is, at the moment, I've got to keep it real with you. I want you to see this on the weekly time frame. It's in a downtrend, guys. Look at this. It's getting resisted on this trend line right here, and it's a powerful trend line. It needs to break this. I need to see it break this space here. Matter of fact, I want to see it break this, and I actually want to see, hopefully, do a higher high than this. So, it needs to break 12 cents, and it has to come up and, do a higher high than 18 cents for me to say, yeah, this is serious. We're going to see some parabolic runs. Okay. Otherwise, all we're doing is just printing lower highs, and we don't want to see that. So, yeah, that's what I'm seeing for the weekly. What we can do actually is, I don't know if the Fibonacci is going to work well with it. Let me do it on the daily time frame. Come over to the daily now. Have a little look. So this is like your short term, maybe the next week. See what's going to happen here. You can see it's holding resistance on the 21. Again, I like using the 21 daily. It's been riding it like this. I'm hoping we see a nice bounce and come up. And, again, you can see this resistant line. So it would have to break. If it comes up, it has to break this resistance line, guys. That's what I'm looking for. And it's putting it around 12 cents. So once we break this 12.5 cents, we could ride up to 18 cents quite fast, which at least that's what I believe. And then that's when we might see some resistance. But let me just grab up the Fibonacci, because that's going to give us a better insight. And I'm going to take the Fibonacci from this all-time high here, right? So let's grab it. And this was the last high we had, right down to the bottom of what we had. So from here to the drop down here, we can see some retracement levels now and kind of see where, Harmony's been trying to resist, trying to break. Once it broke this extension here, 0.23, which is all the red area, once it broke this, you can see it's been holding it as support and bounced off the 21 with it as well. But let's just take a little look. So, again, if it breaks this, I can see us coming up to this again. It's going to be a hard resistance. If Harmony can break it, I would expect the next level to be this one right here, and I'll tell you why this one, because this is the 702 on the Fibonacci, and that's usually a resistance level, or actually a 786. 702 is just below it. So here, let's try this one. Let me bring it down. 702 for me is the significant one, because this is going to be the one where, because like I said, it's constantly doing lower lows, and if it breaks the 702, I'd expect it to shoot up and go, right up here to this green bit here. Explain that in a second, but bring that down a bit. But the 702 for me is where it's really going to test the time for Harmony to tell me if we're going to really see high highs. And that's 14 cents, guys. 14.7 cents, almost 15 cents. If Harmony can get above 15 cents, I believe that we will ride up to the 23 cents again. Fingers crossed, hopefully, and hopefully set some new all-time highs. So that's what I'm looking for. Long term, though, on my long-term perspective, let's have a look. Can we do the Fibonacci on the week? I'm not usually too keen on that, but let's just see what happens. If I'm going to do it on the weekly, to show you how high it can go, I want to draw a different Fibonacci retracement. I want to do it from, let's just have a look. So this is the entire, what the hell is this spike here? That's not real. Where did that, no, that's saying it went up to £2. So listen, did I fall asleep and miss that? Because I don't remember that huge green candle wick doing that. So I don't know. Do you guys remember that? Because I don't remember that. That might be wrong. This is the KuCoin as well. So I don't know. Maybe it did. Maybe it had a crazy spike up. Because sometimes you get those crazy crashes, that just like a, what do they call them? You get like those quick flash crash. That's it. Sometimes you get a flash price spike up. I don't know. Maybe that's what that was. Whoever did that was laughing because you buy here, go up there, sell. You know what I mean? Let me see if I can draw Fibonacci over the weekly. I don't know if it's going to look very accurate, but let's just see. How do I even do this? I can't find a good place to do it. I was trying to do it from... Oh, well, no, you can't really. Because you usually need higher price action prior. And the higher price action from where we can see is from there to there. Oh, hold on. It's giving me something. So... bit of silence there. So I've taken it from what I can see right back here to this lowest part that we ever went, which was here, right? And that's back in 2020. So remember, these are weekly timeframes. I'm trying to get a good estimate as to how high, Harmony can go should it continue to perform well. Weekly candles. Should we see a crazy run up like this? And again, that was a, how much percent was that? That was a, what? No! That was a 3,600% gain, guys. What a rise. Look, the Fibonacci at the highest, this is the weekly time frame. Okay, we're probably talking years away because this is years. I should have done this on the daily. I'm going to just switch it to the daily. I mean, because this is saying at 90 quid. If Harmony goes to 90 quid, I'm going to have a heart attack on the floor. You'll have to come and just bang my chest, wake me up because I'm a multi-billionaire, Let's just see if we can get better results that is the daily as well. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I wanted to give you a super realistic price as to what we can see in the long term should Harmony perform well, I'm going to have to take it from here to here again then. Just do what I did from here, the highest from here, right down to here. This is recent price action based on what I'm seeing here, right? Because Fibonacci's, they don't lie. Should it perform well, it's still coming right up there at the highest. 50 quid. Look, I don't know how long it's going to take to get to 50 quid. I'm just going to keep it real. I would be looking for, at its highest in this cycle, anything, keep it real. I might be wrong. It could surprise us. Anything from here to this red bit here is what I'm going to be looking for. I don't know. I just feel that that's a good estimate as to where we should be looking at the top of the cycle. Anywhere from 65 cents to $3.18. And I did say before that it could hit, pound, maybe surpass it to $3. Because remember, the supply for Harmony is like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times less than XRP. XRP went to £2.70 something. This has 7 times less the supply. Have a look here. Look, where's the supply? It's not saying total. I think it's like 13 billion in total. It says 10 billion here, 10.4 billion. And if XRP with 100 billion, 99 billion can go to, I know they do different things, guys. I'm just talking scarcity, like that tender looking, juicy finger licking barbecue piece of chicken right here. You best believe. And I know you're standing at the front of the line with me with your knife and fork and your Jamaican jerk curry goat sauce, pouring it over Harmony. I got to laugh with it. I just got to, it has roughly 7 times less, because I know this ain't the total supply, 7 times less the supply of XRP, which in my eyes, it should be able to do 7 times more the price, which it could lead to like the £3. £3 should be doable. £13? Time will tell. That would just seriously change people's lives if it does. But, you know, I'm just going to see what happens. These yellow marks here. Oh, I just moved it. Let's see if we can get to these first. Let's see if we can hit these first. Let's see if we can break this trend line, get up to the 14 cents, 14.5 cents, then get to 23 cents. Then I'm going to bring you another video and say, okay, look, guys, we might be coming up to £3 and all sorts. Okay? So I'm going to leave it here. What am I laughing for? If this was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Hello to the new people. I see loads of new subscribers. Thank you so much. Truly appreciate you all. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. And hold on. Shout out to my Patreons. If you want to become a Patreon, I have 7 tiers. You can take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. I'm going to scroll down. On top of that, guys, I'm doing this 10% giveaway. Look, it's not giveaway. I used to do 5%. Now I'm giving you 10%. So if you want to pay for that annually, because some people might just want it for the annual, just pay for the year, you're getting 10% off. Okay? So, because I felt like I needed to give more. Go for the 10% annually if you want to do that, if you can afford that. Exclusive VIP partner tier. This will unlock my when I buy, when I sell, when I stake. Listen, time's getting near, guys. And this market will fall on our face. And I'm getting prepared for when it falls on our face. So when these profits come to the top, wherever we are, you best believe I still got that chart that I'll show you. I'm waiting for it. This is my window of opportunity. When prices get up here, I'm selling. And my patrons are going to know. And if you don't want to miss it, and you want to see it as soon as possible, become a patron. Okay? So you don't miss it. Because they get the alerts. If you want that little bit more, you can go for my CEO partner tier. That's this one here. And this will give you my super alerts. What does it mean? Well, come into my VIP Telegram group where I talk to you about things way before I even buy it, sell it, or stake it, or whatever. You get some good whitelisting action going on, because I told them about the whitelisting before I had even had a chance to alert and get in it. So we talk about these things, and that could really help your journey in your crypto journey to, if you want to do that, because some people prefer that. I prefer that. So, well, in a sense, yeah. So it's more easier. Talking too much. I'm going to leave it here. Talking too much. Thank you for watching. Shout out to you all. Are you ready for this long-ass Patreon list? And I appreciate you, by the way. I really do. Shout out to Toy Notary. It's time 8. Actually, let me put my phone on silent, on play mode, because if I don't, people are going to be calling me. But let me do that again. Shout out to Toy Notary. It's time for AJ, Franksy63, Clarence Dennis from... Look, getting it wrong. Clarence Dennington, Christopher Johnson, Jacob Adams, Mr. Anonymous, Stuart Chuckler, Carlos Rocha, Damaris, Samuel Stancox, Rahul the God. Listen, I got to do it quick because there's too many. Dante Kennedy, RG, Bizzle, Max, Wisdom, I think Wizard, Manny Sanchez, Tyrone Samuel, Abiola, Rachel Mack, Pamela Williams, Stacks on Racks, Rick, Geoffrey Williamson, Omar Thomas, Cass Manel, Evan Davis, CCP269, Good Feels Nice, Dominique, Peter Stoddard, Eric Scoop King, Big Up, Semyon, Fatima Price, Shwanda Owens, Tanner McLaren, Josh Wills, Kevin Ward, Sassofi, Michael Keel, I think I said it right, Christopher Hoss, Chris Steed, Snowy, Andrea Harding, Kelvin, William Fox, Esjar, Claudette Tormiliosa, like Wingardium Leviosa, float you up in the air, you best believe, Shakir Hussein, Lamar Lee Seeley, Cody Harris, S, Daniel Hopkins, Cyril, always get that one, you know what I mean, Alexander Forey, Gilbert Baggins, Eric Jackson, Paul Forrest, Power, Russell Cohan, Joseph Marcus, Crypto Mac, give me the gains. Listen, I'm mixing it all up. Vilex, West A, M. Ali, Mo C, Fiat Justin, Mike V, J Faye, Terry JC, Ollie, Orville Broomfield, NASA, Ignacio. That's a 6 spell. Listen, I keep seeing Harry Potter spells in your names. I can't help it. G Crypto 117, Chris Chico, NM That Man, Francis Loco, Zach Adam, Mansawa, Jem the Jaguar, Marcus Gittery, Exelios, flick that one that you had, you best believe. I could just imagine Harry Potter. Exelios, mash up your head. Anyway, Stony Mac, what am I laughing for? John Lowe, Ranjo Singh, Raffle Krupa, Aiden, Ejiki Corey, just spin you up in the air, Luke Ainsworth. I can see it. Mr. Durite, Anthony Berry, TRG Investments, Ryan Williams, Tucan, Santino, Crazy Jam, Timothy J. Brusky, Renee, UKMC No Name, Pablo, Lena111, I think that's right, Sunny V, Hani Abu, Ricardo Vinegar, Shinadu, Oscar Vilgas, Crypto Moon, New to You, Jackson Tepper, look, bang my chest, Francis Hernandez, Akbar, Jermaine Allen, David Adedeji, Chiquita, look, a lot of tongue twists, John Sandoval, Optimus Poompage, Edgar Cortez, Ramil TV, Kirsten, hello, Mr. Drew, SNCCC, Marlene Daddy Albers, Joshua Asher, Black Ape, Bob Rust, spit on my whole mic, you best believe. Losing my breath. Eloy, Mikey, User X 2019, Blackstar, Chiles Creations, Akis Voldorus, mash up your ear. What am I laughing for? Abid Hussein, Moses D. Lopez, Michael, I can't help it. Joseph Samara, I'm going to get a headache after this. Joseph Samara, Neola London, Chris Tap Dance. Oh, tap dance with you, best believe. Iris, Montreal Ammon, Joey J, Raj T, Brian Reedy, Terry, Cornell Goodman, Matthew Walker, Sarpaint Singh, Dennis Boonman, Mark Peak, Elliot Chill, Royal ID, Hassan P, Makuga. I think I said that right. Monica Matteo, Adam. No, I've got to start scrolling up again. Where am I? Monica Macho, Adam Allen, Ralph Green, Marcus Dunbar, Johnny Matthews, Arted, Moises Gallery, Mrs. Carla V. What's going on? Rizwan, Akins, Ice Cat, get it out again. Ice Cat Trader, Connie, Williamson Johnson, Anthony Donne, Carrick. You've never heard a list this long, shouting out people's names, sitting there for like 5-10 minutes. Karen Danik, I appreciate you though. It's just so long, isn't it? Are you still here? Drop a like. Kimberly Gearman. All for one and one for all. Cylinder to Schumer, Stefan, PC World. Who used to watch that advert? I used to love that advert. Marky27, Dave, Chris Adlam, Crypto. I gotta have fun with it. Crypto Newbie, Thomas Rodriguez, Golden Bags, Noel21, Jude Tam, Thierry. I think that's right. Joe Youssef, Arif Joy, Danny Rich, Elstein, Carnivore 444, Morgan Kovar, Job, Kelpash Kumar, Alexis Pagan. I think I said that right. Sirafex. Kevin V, Crypto Hustle, big up. Nova, Mohammed Imran, Ankush Jane, Corey, Mario L, Vanessa Small, Elijah Ailendi, I think that's right. Moinu Hussein, Nate, Nadine Jordan, Eddie Laforme, D Wheels, Riyad Midikaso, Hashmatala, I keep thinking of Madagascar. Anyway, Hashmatala, Suraj Rashid, I'm getting there. Eamon D Whaler, I'm halfway, I promise you. Max Sixel, Master J, Daniel Brown, Leon Plas, DG Crypto, I promise you, it's so long. Adam Isvan, Theodore Wheaton, LD Vincent Millett, Mauricio Anoop N, Ayman Rizvi, Janetta, Legend Charles Knight, Asa Jones, Duns River, Carrie, Gilbo Blaggins, Jake Ross, Cookie Crumbs, Cookie, I love it. Christian Lee, Philip Staffer, Fund Me Now, I will sort you out, don't worry. Crypt Dive, Maha Ramadan, I think that's right. Ramadan, yeah. Fiaz Ahead, Jim, Harsha, Bent Henson, I think that's right. Daniel Grigrio, listen, if I get your names wrong, just let me know, drop the comments. Idle Piper in Patreon. Shark T's, hold on, I'm getting your name mixed up. Sherry T. Zostek, there you go. Deshanavation, Mustafa, Skylark, hold tight DJ Skylark, coming up place with the DJ Skylark, I scroll up my screen with the DJ Skylark, you best believe. I love it. Because she's a DJ, right? Liz Reed, the A-Team / something else. Jacob Madaris, Dave Catho, Richard Harmer, big up to you. Kyle Dawson, JP Deline, I think Deline. Let me know. Joey Shawns, Akeem Banks, listen, there's so many. Michelle Van Den Acker, what's going on, my lovely? Rosemary Hanson, Justin Levin, Via Financial, you can never say Via. Raycorn, Mr. Pounditi, Massey, Tonye Adikibi, I think I said that right. Sear Coins, Kasha Smith, Soul Seeker, I'm almost at the top of my screen again. Theodes, Paulo Baptista, Renton Bacco, Inigo Zibieri, listen, I ain't done this in a while. Stephen Grunfield, I think that's right. RGC Visual, Lee Goodwin, Matthew Wan, Tristan Miles, John Hang, Cypherama, May Revel, I think that's right. Laurie Litra, I'm getting there. Alicia Abigus, what's going on? Nima Wambagu, I think that's right. Des, David Lang, Sayita, what's going on? Danny Ruddick, Kenny Broker, I think I'm getting there. Aaron Nguyen, Nick Smith. There's so many. Are you still here watching? I'm scrolling down again. Oh, where am I? Nazar, James Snowden. Let's take my mouth. Pie. It's got 3 eyes. Mr. Bonds, double starred. Mustaq Dean, Michael Knight, S. Terrell. Look, my eyes are watering now. Nate, Robert, John Carty, Josh Davis, Batch 1, VJ Kumar. You promise you've never seen a name called this long list. I can't even get it out. Fuchs, I think that's right. Devastator X, big up to you. Francis B, Christopher Hamilton, you related to what's his face Hamilton, the driver. Mr. Investor, Irina Lorenzo, I think that's right. Mark Raffle Stepnikowski, yep. Jordan Rutty, Gene Gerard, Gaspar Pestotnik. I think I'm Dr. Robotnik. I love it. Randall Jarrows, I'm almost there. Saif, Matthew Kirk, Peter Butler, Saifi Muhith, I think that's right. Martin Wahenko, big up to you, brother. Hold on, is it Armin? Amy? I think it's, I want to say Armin, let me know. Jack Attack, Mirageous Shepherd, Jamar Richard So, Valentin, Work Hard, Play Hard, Sean Angus, Mr. Crypto Noob, Theodos Jansen, Cosmic Momos, Block number 21, Adrian Kazoni, I think that's right. Ken Zepeda, or Zepeda? Let me know, I think it's Zepeda. Aidan Matthew, Andrea Evans, Dan4666, Cosmos, is it Seymour Ahmed, let me know. Ross, Tobian Rucker, Michael Thompson, Ben Evans, Ivan, Kent Santos, Bruno Ball, Colour with Courtney, and Victor Nyo or NGO, let me know. That's the crazy long ass list. Ross, thank you all so much. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Cheers.